is an exhaust fan, and this is an industrial type exhaust fan, 4-bladed, and this thing is pretty powerful. But the weird thing is the installed switch outside. Okay, this is for the kitchen exhaust. But anyways, let's turn it on. There's the switch. This one. It's on full power. It's always been on full power, but it's almost not used. And so I'm gonna shut it off right now because it's pretty noisy. I bet it's gonna annoy someone. So here it is. There's good spin down time once again. As you can see, it's not a really good install. There's a little gap right there. It's to look from outside, but it's a bit dirty, but not really much used. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.